Why do you tell our children that their 20s will suck if they do them right?
Your 20s will suck if you do them right. Hi, you probably thought I was your dad there. My kids hear this all the time, and I don't want to depress you. And please, guys, if you're 20, don't take what I'm about to tell you the wrong way. But your 20s is about death. DEATH, death. Your 20s is about the old you dying and the new you coming to life. And that's why your 20s suck, because in your 20s, you are transitioning from being an adolescent to the person you were always destined to become. What is the death I'm talking about? The death is you are probably by the end of your 20s not going to be the friends with your friends from high school, your friends from college, your 20s friends. You have to get okay with that. That's going to suck. You're not a jerk. Moving away from people is painful, but it's also necessary. What else is going to suck in your 20s? Okay, my first job in my 20s, I made 30 grand a year. By the time I was 30, I was doing well over 400. I had to learn that some of those roles were going to die, right? There's no way I could take a $30,000 a year sales job and make 400. They wouldn't allow it. It wasn't possible. It wasn't in the comp plan, right? I could do 60, but I'm not going to do 400. In your 20s, you have to realize this is your time of growth. This is your time of becoming who you are. You can't simultaneously become who you were destined to be while holding on to the path. So that's holding on to the past. That's why your 20s is all about death. You need to get used to it. You need to get good at it. You need to let things go. When you don't let things go, like the boyfriend or girlfriend from high school, what happens? You end up getting married to them. You end up becoming two different people. And that's why divorce attorneys make so much money and have such a thriving business. If you are looking to become a better person, the first step is to, number one, decide that you're going to become a better person. And then number two, get used to letting that stuff go that's not serving you.